talk about jeans.
Mm-hmm.
Jeans. So do you like to wear jeans?
Well, I think jean is really popular nowadays. I used to wear jean every day when I went to university, and it's kind of timeless and useful clothes to wear. But right now, I'm not often wearing jeans. Yeah.
You don't wear them very often. Okay. A couple of adjectives to help us describe jeans, I think, are practical plus durable.
Durable.
Yeah. Durable means that they last for a very long time. Like, so for example, I have a pair of jeans that I bought in 2015 and I can still wear them. Why do you think lots of people around the world like jeans?
Well, the first reason is I think it's quite reasonably priced, so everybody can buy jeans.
Yeah.
The second reason is jeans is really practical, durable, and timeless.
Yeah, you're right. They are affordable, aren't they? They're affordable. Like, even if you don't have a really good job, most people can afford jeans.
Mm-hmm.
So would you ever consider dyeing your hair?
I dyed my hair 2 years ago, brown, if I remember exactly. But right now, I found that my natural hair is the best. I would not dye my hair or color my hair in the future.
Okay, that's interesting. And do a lot of people in your country dye their hair? Is it common?
Yes, definitely. Because now young generations really want to try different hairstyle and try to make them look more Westerner. So they
Mm.
like to dye their hair with blonde or
Oh,
brown color.
yeah. So it looks strange, I imagine, does it? Would you?
No, even I don't like dye my hair, but people feel free to dye their hair.
Yeah,
So that not a matter to me.
it's their own choice. Yeah, exactly, exactly. So should we try a part 2 question?
Okay.
Yeah. So what I'll do is I will send you a part 2 question. So if you have a read first.